Then we go.
Hi, everyone. Once again, we are here with you today, and we are so grateful to have you and to continue with yesterday's discussion. And today we want to talk about smartphone with this digital creation, how you can become financially or personally, or as an individual, how you can become financially fit in this digital world with your smartphone. So with me here today is my fellow coach, Anthony Wadiambo, who is an expert, and I'm your coach, Lisa Libese. So feel free to get to learn more and grasp more on today's topic, because most of us have our phones, but we really don't know what to do with them. All we do is just talk and look at other content creators, and while we can also earn from our phones. So I hope today this can be of help to somebody out there. Thank you. Anthony, feel free. You can join the discussion.
Okay, that's great. Hey, Luisa, have you ever thought about using smartphone as a digital creator to become a personal finance fit?
Actually, I haven't thought about that. I have never really thought about it. So how can I do that?
Well, there are several ways you can use your smartphone. First, you can use app to track and manage your expenses. Like Wally, we have another one called Mint. This will help you monitor your spending, save money, and manage your finances effectively.
Oh, that is a very great idea. What else can we do, or what can I do?
Another way to utilize your smartphone as digital creator, it is to use social media platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, to showcase your creativity and generate income. You can earn money as a content creator by partnering with brands for sponsored posts, offering services or product to your followers, or running paid campaign. We have other platforms like TikTok and also Facebook, where you can still be a creator and post some of the things, product and other things that you want to sell, and still earn some income.
Okay, I think that really sounds very, very interesting. I have never thought that I could use my social media platform in such a way. And just like you said yesterday, that you can come up with a niche, and whatever you are good at, whatever thing you are good at, and be it cooking, be it business, be it dancing, baking, all that is what you're saying right now, right?
Yes.
Okay, I think that point is home. So what else can I do?
Also, you can sign up for online courses to learn about finances management. There are various free and paid courses available online that teach financial skills such as bookkeeping, budgeting, financial planning. You can learn from.
Wow, I think that is really, really great. I will have to check them out, but not just checking out. I will definitely check them out and try all these tips. I hope someone out there is going to do the same, just like I am. Because I'm one of those use my Instagram to see people, to like, to watch reels, stories, and I have never thought about making or earning from it, or becoming personally fit from my social media platform. So thank you, Anthony. What else? I believe you have something else for me and the rest of us.
You can invest in stock using investing app or platform like Robinhood, Wealthfront, or Stash. This allows you to grow and diversify your income and achieve long-term financial stability.
Wow, wow, wow. That is really nice. Thanks for sharing these ideas with me, with the rest of us, because Anthony, I never knew I could use my smartphone in such a way. Let me admit, in such ways, creative ways to just become personally fit in my personal finance in this digital era. So when you talk about stocks, it just reminds me with this time of modern money, there's a lot of modern money where people, you'll hear some are earning so well, others will say they're being conned, but it all comes to the knowledge. So that is true, because modern money, you work with your phone, with your smartphone, and you earn with your phone. So these are very nice points that you've given us, and I feel so honored to get them from you. So thank you once again for today's topic, for today's discussion. I just want to remind everybody that we have our monthly webinars every last Saturday of the month. We have these daily sessions every Monday and Tuesday. You can always just watch them on our YouTube at Concanto23. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Concanto23. You can always email us at concanto@gmail.com. Also, don't forget there's something interesting coming up. We have something in store for you, something really interesting. And you know that kids finance is something that is not taught in school. So we have classes for the kids finance. If your kid can't participate, I repeat, you as a parent can represent your kid and you implement this at home to your kids. Not only kids, also teenagers, because we also have teenagers and we have to nurture them while they are still young. Also, Anthony, I believe you have something to say. You can add on top of what I have just said.
Okay, another thing that I should add is telling you about the Pocket Friendly Abroad. It's one of the book that we authored, and it's a great book for personal finance. If you can grab a copy, you can get it in Amazon, both Kindle or hard copy. And you can also get in other platforms like Walmart and other platforms where they sell books. It's a great book. Don't miss to get it. And remember, we are also co-authoring another book that will be out early next year, and that is The Power of Money Mindset. I'm co-authoring with Luisa, and that will be also a great book. So remember, if you grab this first book that is there in the market about My Pocket Friend Abroad, it's a great book that is going to help you so that you also have the stamina in financial. And another thing that I want to encourage all the parents and also some of the followers in this page, that the kid finance literacy is a great thing to grow our children knowing what to do with money, because sometimes in school they're not being taught about money. So you find someone after graduating from school cannot even know how to save money or utilize the money. So it's good for us to grow them in being good financial fit people. And that's why we have that online classes that Luisa has just mentioned. Please, if you want to participate in it or your kid to participate in it, please get us in the email that Luisa has just said. And don't forget to follow us in Instagram. That is concanto.com23, and also subscribing to this YouTube, which is concanto.com23, and you are going to have shown us the support indirectly. Anyway, thank you very much. And I want to say, God bless you.
Thank you. God bless you too.
Okay,
Have
thank
a
you.
lovely time. Thank you.
Okay, God bless you.